Frustrated with the Streamci Library DLL pop-up blocking streaming class installer? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we dive into the Streamci library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Streamci library, the streaming class installer. It manages the unmanaged installation and registration of streaming class drivers for audio and video capture hardware, essential for webcams and TV tuners to be recognized by the OS. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Streamci is part of a game graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, then update GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Streamci library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Streamci library DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Streamci library. If Streamci library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.